Hello, everybody, and welcome to our community introduction. We're the object-oriented programming community on 1Cademy. Without further ado, let's get started. So first, let's introduce ourselves. We're your community leaders. My name is Sam Winter. I use he, him pronouns. I'm a senior at the University of Michigan, where I study information with a minor in computer science.
Hello, my name is John Paul O'Neill. I also use he, him pronouns, and I am a fourth year computer science student at the University of Michigan.
Okay, so let's talk about our community mission statement. So if you're already familiar with 1Cademy, you know that it's basically a research platform where we create large concept maps covering a specific topic. So with that in mind, let's talk about exactly what we aim to do. So we aim to develop a greater understanding of object-oriented programming by first leveraging our community members' diverse areas of expertise. So obviously, object-oriented programming is a broad umbrella. The members on our team have lots of different skills and experiences within that umbrella, and we hope to leverage that to learn from each other and to really create a representation of information that is diverse and encompassing. Next, we would like to collaborate to logically organize a concept map on 1Cademy. And what we mean by that is really keeping in mind your prior contributions and the contributions of your peers to make sure that what we're creating is organized in such a way that somebody with no knowledge of object-oriented programming could theoretically start at some of the base nodes at the beginning of our community and just go further along until they've developed an understanding of even more advanced topics that they're interested in. And finally, we want to embark on hands-on programming projects. So the best way to learn is often by doing. So by having you all work on actual programming projects, we hope to yes, further our understanding of object-oriented programming. And I'll hand it off to John Paul for the next part of the presentation.
Yeah, so as an intern in the object oriented programming community, there are a couple main responsibilities that we really want to hit on in this video. One of those is that you're expected to summarize information from documentation, tutorials, textbooks, papers, all with the focus on object-oriented programming using those relational nodes on the 1Cademy platform. We really want to just take all of this information from different sources and just centralize it all in 1Cademy in the digestible way for somebody to take a look at. As Sam just mentioned, you'll also be working on programming projects as they arise, whether that be from different communities on 1Cademy, like coming to us and asking for something, or projects that we have brainstormed in small groups within our community. And in addition to that, you're also encouraged to bring your own personal projects to your fellow community members for collaboration as well, if you want to. We also hold short weekly meetings to update the community on our progress with nodes and projects, and also just to get to know each other a little bit better. We really want to establish a sense of community within the object-oriented programming community, so we'd really appreciate it if you would actively participate in those meetings. And then as far as time commitments go, this internship is really flexible with how much time you want to put in per week, but what we foresee is that the maximum time commitment that you might see would be around 4 hours per week. And now at this point you might be thinking to yourself, what are some of the benefits of joining the object-oriented programming community? Some of the ones that Sam and I just came up with were that you have the ability to network with talented students from universities nationwide. 1Cademy as an entire platform has students from all across the United States. It's a really great way to get to know different people and connect and really get that network blooming. You also get to further your understanding of object-oriented programming and related concepts outside of what you may have already known from coursework or other side projects. You also get to become an early adopter of a novel new research collaboration program, that being 1Cademy, and you get to lay the foundation of a new community, which is really cool. You get to lay the initial bricks and really map out how we want to bloom out our information. And as mentioned a couple times before, you get the chance to develop different projects with your peers.
So that about wraps up our presentation. If you'd like to learn more about 1Cademy as a whole, we invite you to check out some of the other videos on the channel just to see what the platform itself looks like and kind of the other work that's going on there. But other than that, we hope to see some of you on our team soon. And thanks for your time. See ya.